In this video, we're going to cover estimating divisions. If you've been watching a whole bunch of these videos, you're in for a treat. This one's going to be short and sweet as they're not that complicated. Let's take a look right in LMN and see where divisions are set up. You're going to go to the Estimate menu. You're going to go down here to the Divisions menu. Here's where you're going to set up a list of your divisions. Now, all a division is a classification for an estimate. So let me show you what I mean. When I go to the estimates, I'm going to leave divisions now for a second. And we go to make an estimate. One of the questions it's going to ask me is, what division is this estimate for? So the entire estimate is going to belong to one of the divisions. That's a little bit different than cost codes, because in a cost code scenario, I can have a cost code for each different item on an estimate. So an estimate could use multiple cost codes. I could have the driveway going to one cost code, and I could have a garden going to a different cost code. Divisions don't work that way. The entire estimate gets assigned to one single division, and that's all they are. So divisions are exactly what they sound like. Divisions of your company or departments within your company. And they have a one-to-one relationship with estimates. An estimate can belong to one division and not anymore. They don't affect accounting synchronization. They're just useful for LMN for reporting. You can run several estimate reports that'll break down your totals by division, like your sales reports or your closing rate reports, or even you can run detailed estimate reports about estimates themselves and their revenue and their profitability, and you can sort and filter those reports by division. Now, setting up your divisions, super easy. We go here, we click Add New, you type in your division name, and you click OK. That's it. If you want to edit a division name, open that division, change the name, click OK, and you're good. And if you're going to want to delete a division name, you simply click Delete. Now, it'll force you to replace any existing divisions with that replacement division, but once you're done that, the delete is just as easy. That's all we've got. Thanks for watching.